Hi guys, welcome back. This is Lab 2. Um, this is the huge lab that we are setting up here. And you see the previous one, when we put at the home, that was the three bilwa. This is pancha bilwa. You see one, two, three, four, five. And it likes, it creates a lot of positive energy. That's the reason, I think, precise reason. It used to be in the temples in India. And this guy is also a similar guy. We put this guy into a lot of trees. Lot of trees you can see in Indian villages, especially. So scientifically, I think someone said that, I don't know. I have to check that. Scientifically, someone said that if this will avoid snakes, the poisonous snakes, not the regular snakes. Um, and we are putting them in the starting. It's then we have a amla, which is sarva aushadhani. So we call it as it has a lot of medicinal benefits in it. So surrounded by a lot of rudraksha, which create the positive energy. And you have a lot of medicinal plants across the this lane. And you see a lot of traditional bamboo. This is not a regular bamboo. We found this guy from Kanchikama Koti. Uh, so this is going to be a plastic alternate, and this is going to be a plastic alternate, and the banyan trees. And these guys are Rudraksha. This guy, Kadamba. Uh, we have like Swarnadhani, Swarnavedi. We have Tribilva. We have a many medicinal plants here that are coming from. Look at this beautiful guy who created the house here for him, the spider. And we are going to extend this very soon into the lab. And we are finding out the alkaline based water created by natural plants coming from the ancient wisdom. So I think we have a beautiful mangoes. Uh, I think they are probably this is because of uh, the birds are sending them down. So you see a lot of mangoes. We will see how these guys are going to be. We will test them. So this guy is kind of going very good. So we will set up. We will set up the. We'll set up the lab, the manufacturing companies here to take care of these guys, all the advanced robotics, virtual assistants. We are going to influence the lot of ancient birds here. So you see probably the birds are already surrounded. Today we are setting up the environment where the advanced IoT is going to pick up the the advanced IoT is going to pick up these guys, the behaviors, especially the plant behavior and also the creature behavior and also the environment nature behavior, the sensors we are bringing from Germany and also the Japan. So these are the patented applications, as you know, guys. We are getting help from the government of Florida and UF Innovate, and also we are setting up the Dubai Prime Minister's Maidan Free Zone, another lab too. And we are working with the German government, as I said in the previous video. So we have an ambassador who is talking to them. We are also working with Mercedes-Benz and Volkswagen. We are setting up another huge lab for the plastic alternates in a place called Rukhmapur, which is nearby Karimnagar. Around 50 acres of the land. We are requesting the governments to support us to initiate the plastic alternates from here. So you see a lot of this guy is taking a lot of birds, creatures, and we are planning to inject the earthworms here for the soil fertility. And see, compare the soil fertility between the earthworm injected and non-earthworm injected. So where these guys are burning a lot of ash here, so probably we'll send this lab and see. We'll explain to the farmers doing this how much how much we are going to lose the soil fertility, and educate the farmers in the future. We should not do this. We can burn this outside, and if we can bring this back hash, that is good too. But we will do the testing. I'll keep you posted with the updates. We are now heading to the governments to invite our April 5th inauguration event. Probably, let's see how the governments are going to support. This is Narendra Mahachakravarti, Narendra Chintamani, the founder of Maha AI, CEO and scientist of the ancient wisdom and the bringing the advanced robotics. I'll talk to you all soon. Thanks a lot for supporting. Have a good day. Bye.